How to fix converting CSV to string causing memory issues. Open Visual Studio, go to Extensions, and install Extension Pack for Java. Click Ctrl-Shift-P to open a new project. Select Create Java Project. Select No Build Tools. Specify a location to save your project. Enter a name for your project and press Enter. Navigate to the src folder, open app.java, and delete the existing code. Go to the link in the comments and copy and paste the new code. Create a new folder in your project named Data, then copy your CSV file into it. Type the name of your CSV file here. Write something here. Now click Save, and then click Run to start the conversion without memory issues, as the code uses buffered reader and buffered writer. That's it. In this example, I converted 3 million rows without facing the issue.